We have a new challenge. It's an easy challenge. It's a varied parentheses. It's basically quite straightforward. The problem that we got string. This string has maybe one of these 6 characters, and we want to check if it's a valid parenthesis or not. So basically we have these 3 requirements. So basically open brackets must be closed by the same type of the brackets. Open brackets must be closed in the correct order, and this is quite important. Every closed bracket has a corresponding open bracket and open bracket and of the sum type. Sorry for my English, sometimes I lose words. My English is not that good. Anyway, so basically we have this string, and we just want to make sure that if this is right or not. If it's right, we're returning true. This is right because we have left, right, left, right, left, right. We have here left but no right, and we have here right but no left, so it's quite false. So the solution for this problem, I guess, coming to my mind right now, is only 2 solutions. I guess it will be maybe we could, for example, loop make a loop to get for each character, and make another loop against all the other characters. Depends on the specific character to make sure do we have its maybe if it's left, do we have its right or not. So basically this solution could work, but the problem of its time complexity, I guess, if to be n squared of n squared, it's not that good. However, when you are in any interview, you want to make sure that you are putting this example and saying that we have an example with b n squared, but I prefer to start with better example, and if the interviewer allowed that, you go for it. So basically what I'm thinking of, maybe example could be take O of n. So basically we could create a map. So basically the map or any, you could create an object. It will work also with object. So basically it will be a map that has 2 key and value. So basically we have this, the left is key, the right is value, and we will create a stack, and we will make sure that when we create a stack, and we loop through this string, and we find if we do it like that. We have okay, let's take this example. Let's just delete these 2 examples because I guess they are quite hard. Let's take this example. So basically I will put the left, and when I found it's right, I will delete it. I'll put the left. When I found it's right, I'll delete it. I put the left. When I found it's right, I delete it. And if the stack length by the end of the loop, the stack length was 0, that means it's true. If it's bigger than 0, that means it's false. So let's give it a quick start. So basically let's just start with creating our map. So yeah, I will copy the code here. Okay, so basically we have this map. So let's just talk first. We have the we are setting the right as key and the left as values. So, and we will say why we're doing it. You will know why we're doing it like that in a bit. So basically we will make we will have let stack, and this stack will be empty array, and we could say that we're making a for loop, and the for loop let I equal 0, and I less than s dot length, and I plus plus. And we could say that I will say that first I will let the each character equals s dot char at of I. I guess if you just make s of I guess it will work also. To get each character, so character at the index of I. So basically what we are going to do is that first we can just, at the beginning, we will do stack dot push C. For let's just take this an example. we have this, let's just take this should be valid. However, let's just say that is equal this one. So let's say what we're doing for the first one, we just push it to C. It's left. So we want to make sure that if we for the first one, we want to push it to C. However, when we have the right, we want to see, do we have something in the stack that equals to the left, or that corresponding to the left? And this is why this format of the map will come into place. So we can say that if I will say that mappings dot has and has, I guess, C. So basically, so you can understand this better, has for in the map, I will get the key, I will get the value in map. So basically I'm saying has.c, so basically I'm saying that do we have right this one. So basically these are keys and these are values. So if I want to make anything about the keys, I just could do it quite easily. So I will say that I have this mapping. I'm saying that if the mapping have the value, if it has the right. So basically I will say that let okay, so let's just start else. So because I guess this will cause a problem for us. So for example, let's just start here. For the first one, I will just make the first one mapping that has C. This one, this left, all the keys are right. There is no left actually in the keys. All the keys are going are positioned to the right, or like they are facing the left. So basically all the keys are right. There is no left basically. So for this if statement, it will not be there. So basically what I will do, I will push to the stack. So for the first iteration, our stack will have this. We'll have this. So basically for this one, this will be our stack. Our stack right now having this, and for this is after the first iteration. For the second, I guess we are here. So basically C will equals this, will equals the right one. So do we have the C in the map? Yes, we have this one. So yeah, we have the C in the map. Okay, so we have right. So the thing that I'm searching about, okay, so do I have left? Do I have any left? So what I'm going to do right now is that I will say let left equals I will say that stack dot pop, and I will get the left, which will be this one. But I guess it's to be safe, because I don't know, maybe like the if the string is starting with maybe like something like that, we could have an error, because it's the stack is empty. So stack dot pop, it will get an error. So I will do that if stack stack, I would say that if stack dot length bigger than 0, or let's say that if stack dot length equals 0, maybe just make it like that, make the left or we can do it null, we can do anything, just like we can just make it this one, like a hashtag simple. So I would say that we have the left right now, and this left right now, it's equals to this. So what I am doing that if left doesn't equal this one mappings okay, so what that means, so basically what I'm saying that if left this one, which will be this one, doesn't equal mapping the get C. Okay, let's see that right now. What is mapping the get of C? This is C. What is mapping the get of C? This one, because I'm okay. It's quite important to understand it like that. The get, we are talking about values. Has, we are talking about keys. So you will not be lost. So right now, again, has, key, get, value. So I'm saying that if the left, because what I am expecting that the stack, the last one as added in the stack, should be equals to the mapping here. Basically, this is it. Basically, because I'm popping all the time, and we will take all of the examples to make sure that if it's working or not. And I will say that by the end of the day, if let's just query all the code and let's just return stack dot length equals to 0. Basically, it's if this will be true or false, basically. So let's just try to take more of the examples. So if we take this example, so basically what we're doing at the first iteration, okay, we have this one, which is left. Okay, we are saying that do map has anything? Map has, there is no key in left, all the key by right. So basically, no. So what, just wait a minute. So, okay, I will push it. We will push, there is no need to just push it to push C. So basically, our stack, let's just put our stack here. Our stack, we will have this one, this element. So I will do another one. So for the second iteration, our C will equals the right. So I will see that if mapping that has C, map has all the keys are right. So yeah, we have C. Okay, so I will say let left if the stack dot length bigger than 0. Yeah, stack left is bigger than 0. Take pop the last one, this one, and see if the mapping dot get if mapping dot get, if the values, if this one has the same value, if this one is equal to the value, if the left equals the value, if these two things equal and doesn't equals together, return false. Otherwise, continue. And if you just try to run this code against multiple things, I guess it will work with you the same. So let's just submit the code to see what our performance. It's 86. I guess this one is quite good. And yeah, that's a solution for today. Hope to see you in the future, and we will continue to fix. We will start to fix to continue to solve easy problem. Maybe like after 100 easy problems, we could go into the medium problem. And this is also, it's training for you and for me, because by describing the actual problems, I will get better on solving problems, and you, by listening to the problems more and more, you will get better. So basically, we are learning together. So yeah, this is the solution. I hope that you like it, and yeah, that's it. See you soon.